God, it's hot. It's hot and delicious. Never ever put condensed milk in my soup before in my life. Welcome everybody to Ali Eats the World. I'm still in Bogota, Colombia, and I'm gonna be trying an award-winning soup at a restaurant called Rosita. But before we get started, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it if you can. And now, let's go eat, habibis. And now for the award-winning sopa de ajiaco that we've been waiting for. Gracias, gracias. This is the soup, the award-winning soup. And let's dig in. With our soup, as you can see, there's a chicken inside and the corn is inside and the 3 different potatoes are all inside the soup. But on the side, they gave me rice and avocado, slice of avocado, and this, alcaparras. And also a weird thing that they also provided me, which I've never seen have been provided with a soup, which is condensed milk. And somebody told me about it, like, you should try this soup with and without the condensed soup and see the difference. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try it without the soup. I'm gonna start adding different stuff to it and tell you how it is. God, it's hot. It's hot and delicious. I'm gonna try to add these things on top, on the rice, and see how that goes. Okay, maybe I don't need the lemon because these things are pretty sour too. I was surprised to taste it. I wasn't expecting it to have like a sour taste like that. With the addition of this, maybe the rice and the milk, I'm just excited to see what the taste of the condensed milk is gonna add to the soup. Enough of that. Even though I like this stuff, it's so good. Lemon. I'm gonna go for it. I've never ever put condensed milk in my soup before in my life. I'm gonna try it for the first time and I hope it's good. I don't know. I don't know if I like the condensed milk in my soup. Adding a different flavor I've never had before in my life. Like, I like my condensed milk to have it maybe in a coffee or tea or something, but never in a soup. Okay, upon further testing and tasting, if you add a lot more of this condensed milk, it kind of gives it a soothing taste, a kind of relaxing taste, like it goes smoother into your belly, and I don't know, it's different. I can't tell you anything else except that it's different. I've never ever tasted this before in my life, and I don't know, it's just different. I've mixed everything inside the soup, the rice, the corn, the chicken, the condensed milk, and the little alcaparras, those sour stuff. Mixed them all together and it kind of tastes better now. I like it like that. You should definitely mix everything together. That's my recommendation to you. If you want to eat this soup, mix everything together. It kind of makes all the flavors kind of all blend into each other, and it gives it kind of a unique taste, a different taste that I've never had before, a different soup that I've never tasted before. I like it after I mixed everything together. It kind of made it a completely different soup. So that's my recommendation to you. Mix everything together and then taste it. Or don't. But that's it from La Rosita today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.